Hi there, Michael Mayer, Simply Vegas. We're up here in McDonald Highlands, Sun City McDonald Highlands Ranch. This is a Del Webb community. We are at 481 Elkhurst Place. This is a 1,130 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Listed at $279,900. That's $248 a square foot. What else can we tell you here? That's about it. Let's go take a tour. So this is a 360 live video. 360 meaning that the camera looks forward and backwards, so you can grab your screen with your mouse if you're on your computer and move the screen around to look at the house right now, or you can turn the screen around and you see me behind the camera. You can look up, look down, full 360 if you're on your cell phone. A lot of times you can just move your phone around, tilt it. Okay. And here we have a timer box. Looks like it's for maybe some lighting, yard lighting. We'll step right into the living room area here. You see the home is pretty dark inside. It does have solar screens on all the windows. The owner's still in this home right now. Carpets look beautiful. I don't see any issue with the carpets in this living room. Let's step out into the back porch. Here you see a retaining wall behind the house up to the next level, where the house is on the street behind. A little fence between homes here. You can see the air conditioner unit up there in the front. It's a big unit. That's a really big unit for this house. You said AC unit? That's big for this house. All right. Step back inside. Yeah, that's a large AC unit.
Yeah.
Step into the kitchen here. You have an eat-in breakfast nook. All stainless steel appliances. They're Samsung. We have reverse osmosis again, maybe. Let's see. Yep, it's back in the back right here. More Samsung equipment. We have a 5-burner gas stove. It's a good sized fridge. Take a peek at the garage real quick. Got a protection 1 alarm system on the wall there. Out here in the garage we have a bunch of cabinets, storage space. Community garbage cans. Got your water system here, your Rainbird. If you follow me around to the other side here, got some shelving, a water heater. We have a hot water recycle system, so it recycles hot water through the house. So when you turn the hot water on, it should be pretty instant. The water softener system. Everything looks good on this unit here. Yeah, that's fairly new. Here we got your dryer. Kenmore. And we have a Kenmore washer and a wash sink, which the water is not turned on, I'm not sure why. Alright, let's make our way back inside. That's the living room. We're going to turn this way. Here we enter the main hallway. We're going to go right to the back of the house for the master. Size room. Oh, catching my tripod there. To the master ensuite. Step-in shower, not tub, sorry. Walk-in closet. Okay. Very organized man here. He's done a great job of keeping the house clean for us. Alright, bathroom 2. And the second bedroom he's using as an office. Closet space. Oh, look at his cute little pup there. And closet. Alright, this is 481 Elkhurst Place, again listed at $279,900, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 1130 square feet. It says the Kitech plumbing has been removed. Those that aren't familiar, Kitech was the plumbing stuff that was used for a while, and it caused a lot of problems in houses, but it's been repaired here. Solar screens. HVAC and water heater were replaced a few years ago. There's a community clubhouse, golf, pool, spa, and exercise facilities. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know.